Imagine running a full school without worrying about NEPA, fuel, or generator breakdown. We are talking about powering multiple classrooms, laboratories, offices, music rooms, air conditioners, and a whole lot of other devices and appliances. No daily diesel cost, no generator noise, just reliable solar power. That is what this school in Abuja now enjoys. With a 90 kilowatt solar installation designed and installed by Solar Depot Nigeria. Now let's get into the details. This 90 kilowatt solar power system now powers an entire school in Abuja. It powers classrooms, ICT labs, laboratories, music rooms, administrative offices, lighting systems, and all air conditioning units without depending on diesel as the primary source of power. Before this project, like many schools in Nigeria, reliable electricity was a major concern. Grid supply was unstable, and diesel generation came with high running costs, noise, maintenance issues, and constant fuel expenses. But today, this school runs on clean, reliable solar energy. In this video, we will show you how this commercial solar installation was designed, installed, and commissioned by Solar Depot Nigeria Limited. The system consists of a 90 kilowatt solar power setup supported by 112 kilowatt hour battery storage designed to meet the school's daily energy demand. The objective was simple: provide a reliable, clean, and cost-effective power solution that can run the school's daily operations with minimal or no dependence on grid supply or diesel generators. This system carries the school's classrooms, electrical systems, ICT and computer labs, laboratories, music rooms, administrative areas, lighting, and air conditioning units. To optimize energy usage, the air conditioning system was automated. The AC units turn on when classes resume in the morning and shut down in the evening when school closes. This ensures comfort for students and staff while maintaining efficient energy management. The school now relies primarily on solar to cater for its day-to-day electrical needs. A backup generator is integrated into the system, but it is reserved strictly for emergency downtime or extended periods of slow solar production. Under normal operating conditions, the generator remains off. That means significantly reduced diesel cost, lower noise, cleaner energy, and a more stable learning environment. This project was executed in clear phases, following standard EPC best practices. Phase 1 focused on the solar PV installation, including roof layout, panel mounting, structural alignment, and proper positioning for maximum solar generation. Phase 2 focused on DC cabling, inverter installation, battery installation, AC cable termination, system protection, and integration with the school's existing electrical distribution panel. At every stage, quality control, safety, and proper commissioning were prioritized. The major components used for this installation were carefully selected based on performance, durability, efficiency, and long-term support. System protection was also a critical part of this project. Appropriate DC and AC breakers, fuses, surge protection devices, and safety components were installed to protect both the solar system and the school's electrical infrastructure. Another important part of the project was the inverter and battery room. A separate room was constructed exclusively for the inverter and the battery system. The room is clean, well ventilated, and fitted with air conditioning to maintain optimal operating temperature. If you would like to get solar installation done, reach out to us via the numbers showing on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification button.